Well, hello there, beginner traders. This is Lola Claire again with another video from Convert to Smart. I wanted to just show you how you can actually make money in a small account. So, what I'm using here is the Dash Trader Pro. It's a paper trading software, and I just went on here with a friend of mine's um, login here just because I wanted to show you this stock that I have as one of my A plus setups. The market was good yesterday, and I just thought I'd just take today out to just see if I could find a stock that I could show you and add to my video here on YouTube. So I was looking through, if you notice, this line is all the way here. I was looking through a lot of stocks here. I was looking at WWR, but it wasn't actually something that I wanted to trade. It was already fully extended. So I actually came on and I saw this one popping up, and I thought this would be a perfect one to do a tutorial on to show you this A plus setup. So here we go. So what I'm doing first is I'm putting in my support line, and then I do my fib lines. And if you use DAS in any form, there are some brokers I know, Short Trader has this as their trading platform. So yeah, you can use this. So I just popped in with a thousand shares here. I could have taken a small profit, but I knew this was a bearish pattern, and oftentimes it will just continue to go down, but I know that it has the potential to bounce. So I know even if it bounces, I'm still gonna be bearish, so it doesn't really matter how far it's gonna go. And that's one of the reason why, there you go, I could have made $100 there, but I knew I could get more. So and that's why I go in with a small share size first. So I'm only in with 1,000 shares right now, and waiting for the continuation or the bounce, whichever one. But I know this is bearish, so I'm just glancing through, looking at the different time frames, seeing what's the best one to give me all the information that I need. So yeah, it's best to look at stocks on different time frames so you can see major resistance and major support levels. So for some reason, this paper trading software is not looking its best. I'm not sure if I like it, but we can just work with what we have here. So I'm gonna speed this up just a bit so we can just get moving on to the trade. So there is the bounce, and I'm still watching it. I'm in it down. I'm only a small negative, but I'm not really worried about that. So now the stock has jumped past VWAP, and VWAP is the technical analysis, technical analysis, yes, that I use. So I'm watching it bounce, and I'm putting in, well, I'm looking for it, it's not up yet, I'm looking for it to go to 320 so I could buy some more on that. But I guess I did not yet, but I got 500. There we go. So I'm putting in 500 shares because I know that was a level that I wanted to be at. But I wasn't filled, so I'm still waiting. And this stock is now volatile because there's a big battle going on here, but I know what I know because I've traded this pattern over and over. So let's just speed this up a little again So there we have it. The stock is now consolidating because the battle is still on. But I'm just looking at the big picture. All right, so I have not gotten filled yet. I took it back up because I thought, okay, this was it. It's staying below VWAP, so maybe it'll go down. But either way, I'm sure of what I'm doing, so I'm just waiting. The the potential of being squeezed out is there, so that's why you try to go in with a small size. On the other screen, I was trading another stock, so my profit is up. All right, so I'm still there waiting for it to make a move, and looks like it's heading up, and now it come back down. Still consolidating, and I'm waiting. I'm just looking at the account because of the other stock. All right, and now we see that it's trying to hit that fib line, and it's passed. 50% fib line is one of the ones that a lot of fib traders like to get in and out at. So it's a very popular percentage there. So I'm watching it and I'm thinking, okay, yes, I'm now in with 1,500 shares, and I'm looking to add more if necessary, because my goal is 2,000 shares. So there we go. Past high of day. I'm looking at it and making sure that I'm actually at my I'm looking at the resistance level just to make sure that everything is still okay. And let's moving here, and there we have a bounce back, a red candle. I'm trying to speed this up here so I'm not taking forever with this video. All right, so there we have, it's hit resistance level and it's coming down, and I took another 500 shares up there. So I'm now up with 2,000 shares. Okay, let me back this up just a little because I wanted to show you. Okay, I wanted to show you this line, the support line that I put in at $3.01, which is where I'm expecting it to go, because that was where there was most consolidation, and I'm pretty sure that it's gonna come there. So let's watch and see what happens next. So it's holding the 50% line real hard, but I'm still waiting for it to come down. I'm now in with 2,000 shares. And I'm watching it on the 2-minute time frame. Okay, let's just speed this up just a little bit more. And there, it broke through the fib line. Heading towards VWAP now. There's nothing really there holding it. I tried looking at it on the 5-minute chart, but I'm not sure I liked how it looked, so I'm just watching to see how the candles are forming right there. Let's just speed this up a little bit more. Okay, and there it's heading towards VWAP. Still has my well, have my support line there waiting for it. And now it's on VWAP. I popped in 307 just to be on the safe side. I'm now up. Well, that was 170 something dollars, but there we go. And it hit actually the 301 that I had initially set. But even though I have it set, sometimes it'll bounce so fast that I don't get filled. So I usually just go a few cents above or below, whichever trade I'm making, just so that I get out of the trade. And I'm just popping in to look at the trades that I made today. All right, so there you go. It's only a minute after 10, and I'm up three trades, $347 on a small account. I only traded 2,000 shares of a $2 to $3 stock, and in 1 hour, I made $347, and this is on the paper trading. But if you have your real brokerage account and you have more money where you could buy more than 2,000 shares of a $2 stock, you could make a lot more than this. But I just wanted to cater towards beginner traders and people with small equity, just to show that it is possible to make money trading. And all you have to do is try to focus on looking to see if you can figure out the pattern of these candlestick. What pattern are they forming? And you can make money. You can be confident in making money. And I use my Fibonacci because that gives me a better idea of where a stock would go. Because that was one of my biggest challenge, is where is it going? Where will it stop? Where will it go? Yes, putting in support and resistance line is good, but you have to know actually how to put that in. And I'm gonna do another video on putting in support and resistance line, and maybe also just go through and show you how Fibonacci actually works, and how good it works. So yeah, this is actually almost the end of the video. I'm out of the stock, and I'm up $347.07. And let me just fast forward this so you can see where this actually goes. And I've gone back and I look at this stock, and it actually did go all the way down to the $2.73, where I drew my my support line, and where the fib line, the 23% fib line is at. So I'm just fast forwarding this so you can just see where I actually ended the video, showing that it actually did go further down. Now you could say, oh, why don't you just hold it on until, but what I just like to do is I'll come out where I plan to come out, and whatever else happens, it's not my business. I just take it and go. Alright, so we're coming up to the end of the video, and I just wanted you to see what happened just here. But yeah, this stock did actually drop even further, but I made money and I'm happy with that. Alright, so that's it for today. Just want to encourage you to trade smart, and check out my blog on converttosmart.wordpress.com, and for some articles that may help you, and follow me on YouTube here and subscribe, and encourage me to make more videos for beginner traders, because when I was starting out, I really was looking for information like this to help me. All right, hope this helps. And signing out here. You have a good day. Thank you. Bye.